That's SBC Tallahassee's favorite sound effect.
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for South Central Rawls County in northeastern Missouri, eastern Audrain County, northern Montgomery County, northeastern Callaway County, western Pike County in northeastern Missouri until 7:30 p.m. At 6:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Martinsburg, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Farber around 7 p.m. Vandalia around 7:05 p.m. New Hartford around 7.